Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Mundra from Transpet India. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. In PET cans and jars, the sizes that are available with us are from 50 ml to 2000 ml. Mouth size that is available with us is from 50 mm to 99 mm. In this video, we will be explaining the various options available in the easy to open lids and the reusable plastic lids. First, we will explain the available options of easy to open lids. We have tin easy to open lids. Instructions are written on these lids. They are golden in color. Food grade lacquering is done inside. Second, we have the aluminum lid. There are no instructions written on it. They are lightweight. Again, lacquering is done inside. Third, we have the peel-off lid. A peel-off foil is attached to the lid. Lacquering is done inside. All lids are 100% food grade. If sealed properly, 100% leak proof. There is food grade lacquering done, as I already mentioned, in each lid to keep it food safe. Difference in these three lids are as follows. Weight. The weight of the tin lid is more than the other two lids. Opening. Breaking the seal of the opening is harder in tin lids as compared to the other two lids. Now we are showcasing how the lids are opened. You have to break the seal. With the use of thumb, you have to open the lid. This is the peel-off lid. And now the aluminum lid. As you can see, opening the tin lid is much harder. After opening, there is little sharp and rough edge inside the tin lid. In peel-off lid and aluminum lid, there are no such rough edges as they have double safe rim. Now, we will talk about the plastic lid on top. We have two types of plastic lid. One is the snap-on lid, which is made of LLDP material. This lid makes the can 70% airtight. Then we have the screw type lids. The screw type lids we have is in PET material, which is shiny and heavier. And we have PP lids, in which we can do embossing of the brand and the logo. These lids ensures that the can is 100% airtight after the seal is broken. The plastic lids are available in various colors, and embossing of logo and brand name is also available. PET plastic lids are heavier than the PP lids. For more information, please feel free to contact us. Contact details are mentioned in the description box. Thank you.